Good morning, teachers, judges, and friends. My name is Salit Leungdet. I am from Mathayom 3 class 2, student number 1. Before I begin, I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever met someone who always brags about how great they are? Maybe sometimes they say, I'm the strongest, I'm the fastest, I'm the best, but in the end, they fail. Today, I will share you a story about such character. It is one of Aesop's most famous fables, The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, in a peaceful green forest, all the animals lived together peacefully. But there was one animal who was very, very proud. It was the hare. Every day, the hare ran around the forest, showing off his speed. He shouted, "Look at me! I can run faster than the wind. No one can beat me." The animals were tired of his boasting. The deer rolled her eyes, the monkey covered his ears, and the little bird whispered, "Oh, here he goes again." But suddenly, a quiet, calm voice spoke. It was the tortoise. He said to the hare, "Hare, I may be slow, but I will race you." The animals gasped, "Race the hare? Are you crazy? You're too slow." But the tortoise only nodded. He believed in himself. The next morning, the forest buzzed with excitement. The fox was chosen to be the referee. He raised his paw and shouted, "Animals of the forest, today we witness a great race between the fast hare and the slow tortoise." The animals clapped and cheered. Some shouted, "Go hare, you're the winner already." Others shouted, "Go tortoise, you can do it." The fox raised his paw again and shouted, "Ready, set, go." The hare shot forward like lightning. Dust flew everywhere. In seconds, he was far, far ahead. The hare looked back and laughed. "Ha ha ha, poor tortoise. He's still at the starting line." But suddenly, he saw a shady tree with soft green grass. The hare thought to himself, maybe I should rest. That slow tortoise would take hours. So then, the hare stretched, yawned, and fell asleep. Meanwhile, step by step, slowly but surely, the tortoise moved forward, one steady step at a time. Even though the sun was hot and the road was long, he kept going one step at a time. Hours passed. The tortoise walked quietly past the sleeping hare. The little bird whispered, "Shh, don't wake him up." The monkey giggled, "This is getting interesting." Finally, the hare woke up. He looked back at the path but didn't see the tortoise at the starting line. He looked ahead and saw the tortoise nearing the finish line. The hare thought to himself, "Oh no, I must run now." The hare ran as fast as he could. His ears flapped like wings. His legs moved like fire. But in the end, he was too late. The tortoise reached the finish line first. The forest buzzed with cheers. "Bravo! The tortoise has won." The hare only came seconds later. His head hung low. The tortoise said to the hare, "Hare, remember, slow and steady wins the race." Now, my friends, teachers and judges, the lesson is clear. Speed is good, but overconfidence can make you fail. Even if you are not the fastest, the strongest, the smartest, you can still achieve your dreams. no matter how slow you go. Thank you very much.